Students, now we will start with exercise 6b. In this you have type 2 when the given algebraic expression contains common binomial factors. Now you will have common binomial factors. Like let us see the first question, z into z minus 1 plus 2 into z minus 1. Clearly here you can see that z minus 1 is a common factor. So what is left behind? Z plus 2. So how will you factorize it? Z minus 1 you will take as common factor and left over z plus 2 will take as second factor. So this is the factorization of this polynomial. It is very easy. Now 2y into y plus 5 minus 3 into y plus 5. You can see y plus 5 is a common factor and 2y minus 3 we have taken as another factor. Same here. It is d into d minus 5 plus 7 into 5 minus d. See, here it is d minus 5, here it is 5 minus d. So we cannot take directly common. Here what are we going to do? We are going to make them same first. So what we will do? It's d into d minus 5. Here we will change the sign, minus 7 into d minus 5. To make it d minus 5 we have to change the sign here. Now d minus 5 is a common factor. We'll take it, and the next uncommon is d minus 7. So this is your factorization, d minus 5 and d minus 7. Here now I have done ninth one, x plus 2 whole square plus 5 into x plus 2. See children, here x plus 2 you have common, but here the power is 2 and here if you see that power is 1. So always we take the smaller power. So x plus 2 we have taken common. So you are having square here. So one more x plus 2 is there. So we will take in another bracket plus 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. So here the factorization is x plus 2 into x plus 7. Children, in this exercise you have to do only up to 10. From 11 to 16 I have reduced. From 11 to 16 questions I have reduced. But it is not like that you cannot do. You should try these questions also and try to factorize them correctly. Okay? But in your copies you will be doing from 1 to 10. Now you have type 3, that is by grouping suitable terms. Now you are given 4 terms and you them accordingly and then take the common factors. Now let us start with the exercise 6c. Here first question is ax square plus by square plus bx square plus ay square. Here you can see there is nothing common between these two and between these two. So what we will do the grouping. Group x square terms, that is ax square plus bx square, and then group y square terms, that is by square plus ay square. So from the first two you can take x square as common and you are left with a plus b. Here you can take y square as common and you are left with a plus b or b plus a, it is same. So now you have a plus b as a common factor. And the next factor is x square plus y square. This is how you are going to do the grouping in 6c. Now, second question. A square plus 2b plus ab plus 2a. Okay. Now, there is nothing common between a square plus 2b and ab and 2a. Here it is common, but here it is not common. So, let us do some grouping here. Let us group a square with ab and 2b with 2a. So what is common between a square and ab? A is common. So if we take 1a outside, 1a will be inside the bracket and b. Here if we take here 2 common, b plus a or a plus b, it is one and the same thing. So a plus b is a common factor and a plus 2 is another factor. This is how you will group and you will solve. Okay. Now fourth one. X cube plus 3x square plus 6x plus 18. Here no need to group because you can directly take common from these two and from these two. It is not necessary always to group. You can see that if there is common between two terms which are given in the question, you can do the factorization directly without grouping. Here you can see it is x cube x square. So we will take x square, the smaller power is common. So 1x will be there from here and 3 will be from here. Similarly, if you take here 6 common, x, and it is 6 into 3. So x plus 3. Now you can see that x plus 3 is a common, and next is x square plus 6. Now fifth one, x square plus ax minus bx minus ab. Here it is given minus in the question, but you make it plus here. Okay, so here directly we can take common. So here x is common, so 1x will be there, and a, x plus a. Here I will take minus b as common, so x plus a, because minus I have taken common, here it will come plus. So x plus a is a common factor and x minus b is the next factor. Now 7th one, 8pr plus 4qr plus 6px plus 3qs. Here also you can see that we can directly take common without any extra grouping. So from 8pr and 4qr, you can write 8 as 4 into 2. So we can take 4 common, and r, you can see it is common. So if I have taken 4 here, there is 2p, sorry, and here if we take 4 and r common, here q is left. Now from 6 and 3, 6 you can write 3 into 2, and here s is common, so 3s we have taken common, so we are left with 2p and q. So now you can see that this is the common 2p plus q, and uncommon is 4q plus 3s. So these are the two factors. Now children, from this exercise also I have reduced some portion. You can see here from 10 to 15 I have reduced, but again I am saying that you should try solving these also. For practice you can solve these also, but for the fair work I have reduced this portion. Okay, thank you.